Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Friday, the 27th of August 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 was pretty much flat today, losing just 3 points to end the week at 7,488 points. Industrial stocks did best today, followed by utilities and healthcare companies. Discretionary retail companies, which have been among the best performing stocks so far in 2021, were the worst performers today, while technology stocks also lost ground. For the full week, the bourse ended pretty close to where it started. The banks did well across the week, as did the big miners, as a result of iron ore prices rebounding somewhat. Travel stocks this week did particularly well, with Qantas up 21%, Flight Centre 23% higher, and Webjet finishing up 16% for the week. Wesfarmers' share price fell 2.8% today after it announced a 16% higher net profit of $2.4 billion. The group has no debt, and it announced a special dividend for shareholders on top of its final dividend. So why'd the share price fall? Well, CEO Rob Scott was circumspect about current trading. Investors don't like circumspection. They like certainty. Lynas Rare Earths reported a record profit on the back of much higher rare earth prices. Demand for its product continues to grow, despite the global shortage of semiconductors, which is affecting industries Lynas sells into. The group share price fell 3.6%, but it's up 167% over the past year. The best performer on the bourse today was Clinuvel Pharmaceuticals, which rose nearly 18% following yesterday's upbeat earnings announcement. Toll Road Group, Atlas Arteria jumped nearly 7%, while Blackmores rose 6.4%. Both those two reported earnings yesterday. The worst performer of the top 200 was Pilbara Minerals, down 6.6%, while Appen was off 6.1% after its big fall yesterday. It's now lost 15% in just 2 days. Data Centre Group NextDC's share price fell 6% after it grew revenue and profits in line with expectations, but its outlook statement disappointed investors. In economic news today, retail sales fell 2.7% last month as lockdowns started to hit spending. It was the largest monthly fall this year and follows a 1.8% drop in June. New South Wales was particularly hard hit, with the lockdowns triggering a massive 9% drop in turnover. Victoria was the best performing state as restrictions were eased ahead of the most recent lockdown. The biggest drops came in clothing and footwear and cafes, restaurants and takeaway food services. No surprises there. Just recapping Wall Street, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq both finished down 0.6%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average was 0.5% lower. That's it for the afternoon market report for Friday, the 27th of August, 2021. Join me tomorrow morning for the weekend edition of Fear and Greed, where I run through all the big stories of the week. And then join myself, Adam Lang and Michael Thompson on Sunday morning for our chat about what's caught our attention over the past 7 days. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.